baby, Chong. Went to the store yesterday. I got him a shirt that says Furry Boss. He was very happy. He enjoyed his day. He's always the star of Walmart. Who would have known such a perfect dog would come in my life? And I appreciate everybody for all the support they've been giving us and all the good, happy vibes. Because we just try to live a peaceful life and we hope for the same for everyone else. And I hope people wish for good things for other people too. But today's a good day, and I hope it's a good day for everyone else. We're going to be on our way, finishing our happy walk, and I bid everybody a good day and good vibes and good luck for all their time. There Chong is, playing with his little baby binky. Now he's Alright, me and Chong are just having a nice peaceful afternoon. Here's Chong. He's over here looking this way. He's fascinated with these cars. Just keeps looking ahead at the cars. I wanted to show you this lake, how the sun's shining through. I think that is just so beautiful. It's almost godlike. But me and Chong were sitting at this angle, so I figure I'd share it with you guys. Okay, there is a deer and a doe. I'm just gonna stand here while they're kind of taping, so because I never get these kind of shots ever. They're so cute and pretty. There's a lot of mosquitoes out today. Look at how cute they are. Thank God there wasn't a buck. That would have really been bad. Let me come over here. I can get probably a better video than this way. Here they are. They're kind of looking around. Thank God we're in the metro parks. Get aggressive here. Okay, there is little tiny chipmunks over there. I'm trying to see if I get over here if they run. There was a tiny chipmunk. I guess it went away. The tiny animals always run when they see Chong. That's why I gotta be real quick. We are now at the lake that I like to call Lake Peace. This lake makes me center my soul and my mind. The ducks probably are somewhere else. I don't know. Here's Chong. Sometimes he's never at peace. He just wants to keep going. And he does not like the motorcycles. I don't know why. Him and the motorcycles don't get along. I think it's because they're so loud. So I try to take him places motorcycles are. See here, now he is looking at the lake a little bit. He likes to look at the lake too. That trail down there, I don't always like to go down because I'm afraid I'm gonna fall and slip. And that would be not a good thing. I'd probably have to start screaming and then somebody that walked nearby would eventually find me. But I figured this could give everybody peace. If they didn't have peace for the day, they could look at the lake and feel at peace.